Welcome back to the channel Cat Como Red, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make a square building in Design Builder. So first of all, you have to press this new building option, which is right over here, and set all the data feed or all the data that you wish that should be connected to your building. Add this under this. If you want to learn about it, I have made specific videos on it on my channel. Check it out under the playlist of Design Builder, then press OK. This process might take a few seconds. You can skip this part for 10 seconds if you want. So after the process, interface like this will appear. So now we wish to make a rectangular building. So you have to select the first option of the building block, then extruded, and set the height with I want it as 10 feet. You can set the height whatever you want, and in this polygon is just fine. You can also select the option of rectangle, so just from one point which should be parallel to the x or the y axis, just and then you have to type the measurement of one side of the rectangle. Let's say I want 37.5 feet, so I'll just type that. And next I want it as 24 feet, and I'll just press enter over there. And that's how your rectangular block of your desired length is created. So thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about Design Builder and specific things about Design Builder, then I have a specific playlist on my channel. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.